Finding graphic designers online can be a hassle. Freelancers are often quite expensive, hiring takes weeks, and you'll never know if the final results will be good or if they will be delivered on time. Bigger design agencies, on the other hand, are expensive, slow to react, and your company may not be their priority. So, what if there's a better solution? Hey, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to talk to you about Fendsol. Fendsol is a subscription-based graphic design service that is professional, affordable, and easy to use. How does it work? We match you with a professional designer whose skills best fit your needs. Tell us exactly what you need to have designed and get the result back in just 24 hours. You can use our simple platform to request any design you want. Social media graphics, Instagram carousels, flyers, brochure designs, or even logos. We got you covered. Need revision? We give you unlimited revisions. What's more, we offer flat monthly subscription rates starting at just $499 a month. Save time and money with a reliable and hassle-free design service. Try risk-free with money-back guarantee. What are you waiting for? Visit Fendsol.com to get started.